Hello guys, so today another new word is doubtless. Doubtless. D-A-U-N-T-L-E-S-S. Doubtless means showing fearlessness and determination. Showing fearlessness and determination. So what are the synonyms for the word doubtless? There are fearless, determined, resolute, indomitable, intrepid, dafty. Here are a few antonyms for the word doubtless. There are chicken, cowardly, craven, dastardly, faint-hearted, fearful, and gutless. Let's have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. His doubtless fortitude make him absolutely fearless. His doubtless fortitude make him absolutely fearless. Number 2. Doubtless review his feeling about imminent death. Doubtless review his feeling about imminent death. Number 3. Those are certainly possessed of doubtless courage. Those are certainly possessed of doubtless courage. Number 4. They are all doubtless soldiers. They are all doubtless soldiers. Number 5. Those are certainly possessed of doubtless courage. Wait.